Hello, welcome to International Veterinary Hospital. We are a specialized hospital for cats and dogs. We have been open since 2003 and we are the largest veterinary hospital in Kuwait. This is our reception area. Do you want to follow me? Here we have our dog consultation rooms.
Hello, I'm Dr. Julio, and I'm happy to introduce myself as being part of a great veterinarian team in IVH. And welcome to my consultation room. Now we are going to check this nice bulldog. Okay, here in the consultation room, we are going to do a general check to this bulldog. We will see his general condition, skin condition, ears, nose, also the gums. And here we can find and we can discover many health problems that normally owners don't see normally. Here in IVH, you can find me doing general consultations relating to internal medicine, also dermatology, but I'm also fully interested in surgery and behavioral problems. Okay, Buttercup, let me check your breathing. Perfect. Good boy.
Here we have our hospitalization diagnostics area.
I am the Dr. Onan Rodriguez Figuera from IVH. I am working in IVH now for 1 year. My responsibility here is the doctor in recovery area. Okay, so here in IVH has like 6 different rooms for isolations. So the recovery area is for 1 cat and 4 dogs. Okay, and don't have any infection disease. Later. In the extra building outside, I have 4 different rooms for isolation. 2 is for cats, another 2 is for dogs. One of this room is only for virus disease. In Kuwait, there is a lot of virus, especially attack the puppies and kittens, and IVH they have the full service for control all this kind of disease. IVH has like a specific good equipment for controlling all this kind of problem. Has a very huge lab with a CBC machine, general profiles machine, 1 specific room for the ultrasound, and another special room only for X-ray. In IVA, is one of the biggest hospitals here in Kuwait, with the most actual equipment for veterinary medicines.
We keep all the medical files here for all the patients that we have in the recovery. We also have the files on our computer system, so we have a reference for both. Here we have our operating theatre. This is our pre-surgical area.
I am Dr. Nelson, original from Venezuela. I have been working in different hospitals in Europe. Since 2 years ago, I am working in Kuwait in the position as a veterinary surgeon. Actually, I am the person in charge of the orthopedic surgery and soft tissue surgery. And I am the medical chief officer of IVH. We have a patient in the table. It's a canine. As people doesn't know, there is very common the problem with the teeth, and it's a easy procedure, the dental cleaner or the dental prophylaxis. It's one procedure that, like human, we use one machine to remove the tartar around the teeth and avoid secondary infection in the patient.
Hello, this is IVH Veterinary Hospital. IVH is the biggest veterinary hospital in Kuwait. We specialise in dogs and cats only. We have here lots of tools for getting the best diagnosis for your animal. We have X-ray, ultrasound. We have special lights that can detect skin conditions, and always expanding our lab so we can run more and more tests here within the hospital to avoid sending them outside. We have specialised areas for keeping your animals. We have cats only section, dogs only section. We have areas for isolated animals, the infectious animals, the animals with skin conditions, and we have areas that are for nursing kittens and for large dogs that don't fit in the normal sized kennels. So I'm the head nurse here, so I'm responsible for keeping the daily running on time and on schedule. I am responsible for making sure all the recovery patients are being cared for in the best way and assisting our doctors with all of their routine examinations. In addition to our hospital, we also have the services. So we have dog grooming, cat grooming, and we have a cat hotel and also a dog hotel. So when people travel, they can leave their dogs here with us and their cats, and they know that they're safe. In addition to treating animals that are here in hospital, we also are a pet travel agent, and we can help get your animal from overseas to Kuwait, or equally we can help send your animal from Kuwait to overseas. It requires a lot of paperwork and documentation, which is where we can help you. We also have the cat boarding and the dog boarding. So when people travel, they can leave their animals with us, knowing that they're safe and cared for 24 hours of the day.